Okay folks, I'm back for another video. This one is going to be a review of a 12-foot telescoping ladder, collapsible ladder, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, let me show you my likes and dislikes. There really isn't many dislikes. There's only one dislike that I can think of right off the bat. That is when you go up with it, and then try to come down. Watch what happens. Okay, it stops right there. For some reason or another, it may be a safety feature or whatever, but I don't like, this is one of the things I do not like about this thing. This won't come down any further until I take that one down. Well, see, now it's not working at all. Let's see. There you go. It is a bit sometimes hard to get started, because you got to pretty much be equal on both sides, symmetrical. There we go. But it sure is nice to have a collapsible ladder that goes 12 feet. I don't know if there's any longer or taller ladders, but I wanted something that would reach the roof and then over. So now, let's try this again. Okay, there. Okay, maybe it's the bottom one that allows this thing to go down. See? So basically, that's my only dislike about this thing is when that one stops right there, you got to do the bottom one down further in order to get that one the rest of the way down, if that makes any sense. But anyhow, I really like this. I don't know what the weight limitations is. It's already been rubbed off or gone. But I really, really like this ladder. So that's all I have for this video. I'll have a link in the description to an Amazon link to this ladder if you decide you like it. But anyhow, that's it for this time. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you on the next video.